So the other thing we had done was we moved the ground pins to the end after the vccint pins. So now we have the vccint pins followed by the ground. So now let's take a look at those vccint pins. And it got broken into two symbols because there's so many of them. So if we zoom fit, there's 232. If we had increased the symbol pin limit to 250, we could put all of these pins, or it actually would have been 240. We could have fit all these pins on one symbol. But as it stands, if we look here, the symbol limit is set to 158, which was comfortable for B-size pages in Allegro. Okay, so it split it at 158 and gave us 230 pins. And now we're going to look at the ground pins. So we got ground 1 to 58, and if we look here, it built 7 ground symbols. Okay, and there's 972 ground pins, so that's what it took. We could shrink that a little bit if we wanted to change the symbol pin limit. And if you want to take a quick peek at that, we could do it. So let's search for a config setting and symbol pin limit. And let's set, so it's, like we said, it's set to 158. Let's set it to 240. And close that. Say yes. And then what we have to do now is run just the symbol builder. And then let's go view the symbols. And if we come down, we see we only have one set of vccint pins. And we got all the pins on there, 232. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbols instead of 7 symbols for ground. And we have a total of 34 symbols instead of 37. So we really shrunk it by doing that. And we can look at the ground pins, zoom fit, and then click down here and zoom in. And we can see there's 240 ground pins there. And then if we go to the next one, we're going to see it's at 480. And the next one's at 720. You can also see that Part Builder added this tally as it went. So this is symbol 32 of 34. It kind of adds, that's a nice feature that it adds for you. And then ground pins 4. Oh, look, there was only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 pins left for that symbol.